here. All right. Okay, here it is. We got to do it. You got to do it. Here it is. Action. We're at ABL. It's cold outside. It's about 10, 14, what's it? 10, 10, 10. This is my wife, Amie. My name is Jim. Tonight we're doing the American Rhythm Bolero. And what we did is we put a lot of cool steps together. We're looking at the upper level of silver for some of them. So if you were able to do this, I congratulate all of you. It was pretty cool. All right. So we started with our basic, which is slow, quick, quick, slow. What I really didn't talk about, but you can do this, is having a turning basic. And that kind of gives us a little bit more of a rotation for this step, which is really cool. So we have slow, rotate, quick, quick, slow. Okay? So from there, we have slow, quick, quick, and that's when we separate. What's the next step? No, I said, we'll do the grapevine there. I'm sorry. Having a moment here. Okay? So after, we're going to do half of a basic for the next step. So we have slow and we separate. My right foot is free, her left foot is free. And we have quick and quick, slow. Now we're going to do our turn. Quick, quick, slow. We do a second turn. Quick, quick, slow. My right foot is free, her left foot is free. She's coming forward to the basic. Quick, quick, slow. Now we're going to do a back break into a back spot turn. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, close. Now we're going to do some funky things with our timing. So we have rondes, the left foot free, ladies with the right. We have slow, slow, slow. Slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. And then just for the timing for the ladies on that, we have slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Awesome. All right. You guys have any requests? I know the DJ. He's pretty cool. So thank you very much.